Karbi ang long ta ramdhenu mission pangcheng pontang lo. Karbi ang long Autonomous Council Principal Secretary West Karbi ang long MP ng Kahumri. MEC Barim Robinson Crew arong Cheway Tanglo. Kardom, Karbi Prime Time along penny leader Sinjay Indicatory non Bertang Tompen Arjuik Tha. Karbi ang long along ningkan hini aber artaw usumarapan parlosi jakhong troxiar ni pen Karbi ang long ta ramdhenu mission pangchenglo. Karbi ang long ta jakhong troxiar ni pen jakhong kripliar ni an ramdhenu mission doji. Laso hithi royan kidoji mission Karbi ang long additional deputy commissioner S Khansi ingpu ponlo. Kangpu amai long okpran saikam joint director Karing Long PP additional chief medical and health officer Tanuja Bora national health mission program manager Amarjit Tisotum Chitongdo.
So, from that total, they have planned total sessions demand lage. Amar 115 session site lage.
Karbi ang long Autonomous Council Principal Secretary Mukul Kumar Sakya ang hoi chingni det pen West Karbi ang long Autonomous Council ke Parloa Department Duan ki claim ki dama puthak kachini pamyeji aphan pini district MP Karbi ang long Autonomous Council Branch Secretariat along Kahumri Damberta Pherangki Hundor Kropen Bertang Pale. Karbi ang long Autonomous Council Hamren Branch Secretariat along Department asai khi doan aphan pangrum si arsik jip pen mai inipon jasimet Hamren along Department doan sitami mi thangasai hemalong athika por pen sai ka chiklem permiji aphan pari phaleng patupon mai judet pen MLA Rup Singh Tiron Joint Secretary Sona Terang lapen Hamren Municipal Court Ward Commissioner tumpen kachingki ka chithan padupon sai khia tumpen mai ki doan chot kalisi ki ong dunga Department asai hemalong ta kahumri padoda bangsu kahumri yahud Hamren an chot kalisi dong mukam khiruni he aidem long anta palida Principal Secretary Penajok alang li West Karbi ang long district MP nang kahumri alam the puthak pherangkia tumangnu ningjipon.
Yeah, well, I have taken over charge as a Principal Secretary Karbi ang long Autonomous Council on the 4th of June 2021. That means exactly 1 month back. So rather I felt it my duty to visit this hub branch secretariat of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council out here. So, in addition to that, so many central government sponsored schemes are going on, especially Jal Jeevan missions. So, where so many this development works are going on now. So that's why I thought that it's the right time to visit and also to meet my officials out here in the branch secretariat and the West Karbi Anglong. And so today I came and had a very fruitful discussion with all the officials posted here in the West Karbi Anglong. And rather, it is my first visit out here, and I enjoyed the beauty of the surroundings. And so many things are here to be carried out.
MEC Barim Kalitang Robinson Crew Kidamtang Jang Mieji Klopen Kisu Kacholong Lokajong Jakhong Nipai Troxiani Adapur Paisia Port Dimapur Referral Hospital alongsi Amik Chilo. Kalitang Robinson Crew alang lichor asupi asupo lapen asar buratum pan pamotika. MEC Barim Kalitang Robinson Crew alang li renget tigahut Karbia khai ki mesenje phansi ki claim alang li amhang ke theklaki 1963 aninkan thang achiklu ni phai hiniar ni si pirthinang hachilo alang li lokachar li dim laki Christian English High School Difu lapenakang tu yangding Difu Golf College pensi chipaunlo kidamtang 1983 pen 1984 aninkanan ASC along dunmei phuar puta cholang lapen 1984 pen 1985 aninkanan KCS akongchun bangta manla 1989 aninkan kilikalong chipati dunsi MEC ta manlang apitu 2012 aninkan papa pu independent pen kilikalong chipati duntusi MEC anghoi chipalong duntulang lasi alang li asonatum pirthei pen kachiu da prangke Karbi ham phanga phan kan hok the pik pusi MP Horan Singh Dipen ningduk chipi
Takali autonomous state movement long enut RD kido alida songyapo alang mano so movement MOU ke tok dat pen ti bangke ang li tinainan ning kan MEC election puluno hailo la pen second term tha bangke 2012 ning kan puthot papa pen MEC man tulo si 2012 papa pen ke hai hut bangke nilida rong khang pen nang hailo nitum claim ra pelo down ra pelo opposition ben sa long sido si ruling atum ke claim ke dam apu thak kai ke tamine tum ke rok dok la pen nili tum ke junior lang aposi dan nili ke bang nitum han kai ta bidi sore nang ki advice ki dum kasi ata le ke du kalela ta ata we pen pini dan nili bang arong suwai joi la bang ke nili ning gut pik ang tanjo takali society pandai si akana hok ante kapaplengun la son akana hok dokok lo kusi ni ning tidam kasi alang ni ke bang asomar bang thomdo aplen si la sika pu la bang ka peso jowaji peso pen ma si jowaji la non alo so no so no dola cepamuka akan ni ti dola asi nilik apor pe pen dang ni jom me phang me dam nang ni aklong pen ni nang tu mi yang no ni piduk dang so alam the cepak rang itu la pen alam mang no dam ni jodom lo ya alang li ka yok sineng nang me long kele ji phan la pen ni li pu sadali lo Karbi long arat Karbi long songya pu teman tame Anili Robinson Crew bagi jam Robinson Crew alang li claim ke dam lake kamat ha man of principle kusini lipu alang upima the phan society phan keme la henlo pu claim lo pu ta alang li aphichiru re backtrack re retreat re alang li stand kai tame upima stand ki tasu stand ateng kai tadu nitum la papa pen MEC nang kahel ning kan phone nitum pleo na pela so huti ni la pen alang long alang leadership pen nitum claim ndam hota pen an politically he farman long re farman pe farman society farman utu pisi claim nang ma ka dam nang mela hai bidi sore kai ke tame nitum hanang pi la pen paan si generous la pen rat amunit po bangal hello alang li inunat tot lun pen sajun the inuna tot lun pen si an chui pu matha the kai kita me alo got claim ra perajir positif tu men si an chura pet sa ta me jun ra pet te do ke dam thane la si alang li total li society the pan se di kita ta bang pu si ning duk pik lo ti samai pula te hang ke to ko pi ma si ki si bang ke thot a na mang no jardom lo nili ka karyok sing heme me an pili dum dia
non malom so por phan birtang mong ton ponsna
আপুনি বাৰু বিশুদ্ধ খোৱা পানীৰ অভাৱ অনুভৱ কৰিছে নেকি এতিয়া আৰু চিন্তা নাই কাৰণ বজাৰলৈ আহিল কাঞ্চ ৱাটাৰ বিজ্ঞানসন্মত উন্নত মানৰ প্ৰক্ৰিয়াৰে প্ৰস্তুত কৰা কাঞ্চ ৱাটাৰে আপোনাক দূষিত পানীৰ ভয়াৱহতাৰ পৰা আঁতৰত ৰাখিব
কাঞ্চ ৱাটাৰ
choral hoi pokchokor jingjin da nangna igar koi bong manai wangsarak thane pokchokor ong
ko pipo no bong
pipolote igar koi ni pokchokor eluti men do wanang nam bidam thani chichakon elo
ajo porto lo ke bong pharmacy jingkir la ko bunan ke
dam langlang no hi e ki long bang pujimini
pokchokor do wai nang pidun tha lada ka tok 24/7 open pu zero anteng pu do man
nangli tum ajat apor lapen ajat arni lewang sitame nili tum alon medical store ke 24/7 ingpu pon lo
lahen lo alon medical store kicheng si karbiang bongpen kang pucheng pharmacy labang so pharmacy ra ke 24/7 ingpu lapen ajat adwai le nang jisita ladak long poniji lapen kelong le adwai nangli order pikang lote prapjin pen long poniji laki Difu Medical College and Hospital opposite Alon Medical Store along nangritum tami humrig non. Anso se kachini Japan aber kipia number along humrig tami. Dihina mopi puthot bertalang wangthlo. Nijang Karbi long amri hawarang kang Covid kiso over kang dang bob ang tek chini damsi labang so kiso over pen kaching rai tek Japan pura pini amri hawarlong kido rat cyclone bangatum song alam chipu pipin pen chingrum si sanitizer alang ke apasai kideng berta phrang ke piratani pen bertang pale. Covid akiso over kang dang bom pen kaching rai tek Japan sanitizer alang ke ap asailong imlang lumpui deni amsong umpanaya rong asar bonius jiso Michael Pangcho Lapen Nijang Karbiang Long Krida Bharatiya me Phu Provincing Maslai Tumpensi Siding Pon Amria Habar Angkang Lang Erdang Pindang Lok Bormarjong Umswai Umpanai Block PSC Birsingki Ulukunchi Amri Block Office Assam Gramin Vikas Bank Ulukunchi Branch Police Outpost Hithikulat Lapin Munit Kaching Promadim Bithialong Sanitizer Alangkia Pasai Padupon Alang litung pen la pusona sai kideng thegapot amri lem sa chairman Bikram Timung pen lang kisupen kichoson pajerdon anparta amri hawar chirok tokara tumpenta alang lituma phan kachuro alam thi pajerdon angkhrak pen birta kilong don ateng ploti imlang lumpui ke non nang kileji MEC kilegalong non ki do bom sarkar pen ki thudun chi angring do laso alam kwan ahok jini lake muapor husi chini pupusi amri hawar chirok tokara tumpen phirangkia tuma phan kapalam sopen pachini.
Today, we as a conscious citizen of the Amri youth people have started to sanitize since early morning. So I would like to thank each and everyone, those leaders those who have come to participate, coming from different organizations. So wherever we go, at least today we are getting at least good response from the public. So it's one of the most appreciation our youth are doing. So I would like to thanks for each and everyone those who came to participate today, and I would like to thanks even for our public also for their cooperation. Thank you.
Det piang kanglong Dr. Syam Prasad Mukherjee Pharoi Sira Inkoyang Ding Amahang Kitegani Katalon along Pacheton Dunsi Nijang Karbiang Long Chintong MC constituency alongta local MSC Mati Karbiang Long Autonomous Council EM Prodip Rongpi Kapin Khadateng Pen BJP Chintong Mondal Committee Hinpen Patirpi Ponsi Durmia ni Rongjang Ponglong Kido BJP Chintong Mondal Committee Asai Hemlong Katalon Dunberta Pherangke Jasoning Hipen Bertang Pale Dr. Syam Prasad Mukherjee Pharoi Sira Inkoyang Deng Amahang Kitegani Chintong constituency Prekja Madimalong Chintong Kisan Morcha Hinpen Long E Lobui Lapen Achom Kimia Long Ta Talon Dunrinti BJP Chintong Mondal Committee Hinpenta Dr. Syam Prasad Mukherjee Amahang Kitegani along Pacheton Dunsi Thingpia Klimki Asai Dengpon Anparta Rada Tumaphan mask sanitizer Lapen Corona Kiso Kilong Dunatum home quarantine along Kido Arsan Lapen Pratimuka Rong Andamsi Kicho Hormu Jangthu Dali Lapen Thi hei hui kiron paduda labang so asa yang ding ki pichun ponalong Chintong BJP Mondal Committee me Phu Joy Singh Bongrong BDC Chairman Khor Singh Senar Chintong BJP Mondal Committee Kongchun Bang Rasing Ingti Kisan Morcha me Phu Rubison Tisu Dun me Phu Men Singh Rongphar Mohila Morcha me Phi Jungting Tipi Dihin Rimbang Monjula Tipi Lapen Local Committee Atum Chitong Don Karbi Prime Time kila pansa kang ton paiglo domi thagme kurwang tur